Hey everyone, what's up? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. It's super simple to fold, and it's really cool. Check this out. So this is an Origami Blinking Cyclops Eye. So here's the eye, and when you pull the sides, it blinks just like this. And this is actually my variation of Jeremy Schaefer's Origami Blinking Eyes that he taught right here. And so here it is. And what's also cool about it is that if you turn it over, the eye disappears, but if you shine the light from behind, like this, if you shine the light from behind like that, the eye kind of reappears just like that. Okay. Alright, now let's get to folding. So, this model I folded from a sheet of origami paper that's green on one side and red on the other. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to use a sheet of kami. So, let's begin white side up. I'm going to fold in half. Alright, now fold to the crease. Alright, now fold in half like this. And now unfold. And now fold this edge to the crease, but only fold from the crease right here to the right. Like that, and repeat on this side. So fold to the crease and just crease from this crease down like that, just on this segment. Alright, now repeat that on this side. So here we go. Fold to the crease and just fold like this, and repeat right here. Just like this. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to turn over and let's just fold these up. It's not really that important. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm going to. So that way on the finished model, it's folded edges right here instead of raw edges. And repeat on the side also. Okay, like this. And now we're going to open up the eyeball right here. So just put your finger into here and here. And now we're going to close the card in half like this. Just like that. And once did that, here it is. See, it blinks just like that. Isn't that cool? Alright, so there you have it. And of course, what's also cool about it is that you turn it over and it disappears. And then if you shine the light from behind like this, it kind of reappears just like this. So yep, there it is. Alright, hope you guys like that, and make sure you subscribe, and yeah, you can spin on a table that's smooth. Nah, it's not really a spinner. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye. And here's a sneak preview of the model I'm going to teach next week. Check this out. It's an origami parallelogram flicker, and I also managed to put a blinking eye right there. See? Just like this, and this is how it flies. Ooh yeah. Do it one more time. Alright, and for that tutorial, click right here when it's available. Alright, see you guys later.